Howdy, worthy creatives. If you're worried that AI is coming to replace you, then this episode is for you. And don't get me wrong, I have seen some incredible things coming out of Google's AI lately, but I gotta tell you, I think there is a lot more to the story. In the 1990s, a revolution shook the video world. Now, this was one device that gave everyday creatives like you and me access to pro-level tools. And I'm not talking about DSLRs. This was before DSLRs. It changed my world, and it probably shaped yours too. And even the big networks were using it. It was called the Video Toaster. And its wildest feature were spinning cube transitions, exploding wipes, key effects, and yes, a falling sheep transition. Now, everybody said it would change everything. And spoiler alert, it didn't. And yet it kind of did. And what it taught us, well, that's the key to everything. Now fast forward to 2025, and AI is the new video toaster. And if we're not careful, we'll fall for the same traps. But what if we used it differently this time? What if we were smarter about the technology? Because believe it or not, the video toaster did shape the world we create in today. And by the end of this episode, you'll see why AI cannot replace you and how it might just become your greatest creative ally. Now, let's be honest, new technology often feels like a threat. I mean, what if I can't keep up? What if the tool makes me obsolete? What if I already am and I just haven't figured it out yet? Now, you're not alone, because I felt that too, not just once, but many times in my career. But here's the truth. Fads fade. Remember the TikTok cereal challenge? Yeah, the one where you ate milk and cereal from somebody else's mouth? Ooh, I want to forget that one so bad, right along with the milk crate challenge. Now, trends fade, fads will vanish, but connection and story are always going to be timeless. And AI? Well, it's only scary when you're generic. Now, it will replace some things, but not you, worthy creative, because you are not generic. You are worthy. I've seen these cycles before, worthy creatives, and I think maybe you have too. Big hair bands, parachute pants, and that one TikTok dance with the elbows. Now, flashy trends always grab attention. Of course they do. But when the dopamine wears off, what stays? The real stuff. Story, emotion, truth. You and me. I literally just read a trade article that said catching thrown pickles into your teeth is trending, and brands should chase that wave. But that's not how you make real connection, is it? And are those pickle-chasing folks really your audience? Or are we just chasing meaningless clicks while losing connection? Now, when photography was invented, everyone thought that it would be the end of painting. The artists were finished because you could just take a photograph. But you know what it really did for the painters who stuck to their craft? It gave them the freedom to explore what painting could be. And they reinvented what art could be. Today, their paintings sell for millions. New tools don't kill creativity. They actually expand it. When I first saw those video toaster effects, I gotta admit I was hooked. This is it, I thought. This changes everything. And honestly, I think we were all guilty. We overused every trick in the book because we could. Because we had that power suddenly. And yes, I actually used the falling sheep transition in a corporate video for a major client. Okay, my conscience is clear. I've confessed. I feel better. And in my defense, the client actually asked for that effect, but I still should have known better. I think we all learned the hard way. Power without story is just noise. And it only took a year or two before people stopped using the wild effects and started focusing on what really matters: story, connection, and emotion. Now, movies figured this out decades before the video toaster even existed. Attention without message or connection is worthless. The video toaster wasn't the problem. It was actually a wonderful tool. We were the problem. How we used it was the problem. And the same goes for AI. It's not about what it can do. It's about what you do with it. And on modern editing or streaming software, will you try to find a single falling sheep or kiki transition? It ain't in DaVinci Resolve, I can promise you that. AI will not replace you, not if you show up as you. Now, it can reflect, it can mimic, it can remix, but it can't feel heartbreak. It can't remember that lump in the back of your throat before your first performance. It can't understand loneliness or love. It can't imagine something it's never seen and cannot feel. Now, the truth is, it can't imagine anything at all without you. You are the spark that AI cannot generate. So when you double down on you, AI becomes what it was always meant to be, your creative partner and time management assistant. Now, if you want to stop fearing AI and actually start using it to your advantage, drop a sheep or camera emoji in the comments down below or reply to this email, and I will send you the bonus directly. 10 powerful ways to use AI to level up your creative life and save you a ton of time. Now, I got to tell you, I would not get through a week without AI. Working full-time at the U, doing this, running my own agency, takes a lot of time. And without being able to focus and having an assistant to help keep me organized and on track, boy, it would be hard because AI is not here to replace your voice. It's here to amplify it. You see, AI is actually nothing until you imagine something for it to do. Now, if you think you missed your shot or that it's too late or that you're too far behind in the race, well, next time we're going to blow open one of the biggest lies that we've all been told and the ones that we actually keep telling ourselves. You are not obsolete. You are not replaceable. You are not a cheesy falling sheep effect. Seriously, how did we ever think that was a good idea? You are the spark that AI cannot generate. You are the soul of the story. Still needed, still worthy. So go create the life that you were always meant to love. And as always, live creative every day, all day.
Why fit in when you can lead the way? Stand out from the herd, make your own play. Live creative, let your colors show.